Greetings viewers of All Swazi TV, I am the General, and if you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and the like button. News. Thousands of tertiary students today marched to Ministry of Labour in Babane to deliver a petition. We have the report. More than 2,000 tertiary students led by SNAS President Kolani Masego today marched to the Ministry of Labour and to the Prime Minister's office in Babane to deliver their petitions. Sikhulumisene naye President wama-student Xolani Maseko lochazile ukuthi le campaign lebitwa ngokuthi Jobs and Scholarship for All will help Swazis kakhulu ngoba it's every child's right to get education. But the President Mlungisi Makanya also addressed the students and said as an organization they want an educated youth which is equipped with relevant skills. Chaos in more than 10 schools in Eswatini as students engage in protest. We have the report. Umbhikisho etikolweni tima high school uchubekile kulo lonke live njengoba tikolo leti more than 10 tivele tayeka all academic activities and engaged in protest. Kucale sona sikolo sase Central High School in Manzini. Sikolo lesiphakeme lekuthiwa tikhuba naso sivele sabeka onke emathulusi sagcwala wona umgwaqo. Abonakele wona emaphoyisa kuso lesikolo lapho avela adubula khona bona bafundzi ngenxa kusama kuhlipita tona ticuku. Lobamba National High School kanye naletinye tikolo nato engaged in protest. Arrested MP Bacete Mabuza's Foundation FSJ donated food to Hosea communities. Oscar has the report. MP Bacete's Foundation donated food parcels to 7 Hosea families and also paid fines for arrested pro-democracy citizens. Induna Nkundla yakhona eHosea Richard Villane said he successfully coordinated the donation after receiving an instruction from MP, even though he was hiding from Swatini forces who are looking for him for supporting arrested MP Tutuzi Bacete Mabuza. Founder of Ambassadors House Ministries, Bishop Bendulo Nkambule, said that church must speak strongly against political killings in Eswatini. We have the reports. Bishop Bendulo Nkambule uxwayise wona emabandla ukuthi ufuna akhulume strongly against the political killings of eMaswati. Speaking to Swaziland News editor Zwelimathini Dlamini, Bishop Bendulo Dlamini uthe he was aware that kukhona mfundisi lot bafundisi kufuna bathi distance from politics. He said that the church they must speak the truth at all times and the church must guard against situations whereby the truth will be replaced by lies portrayed as the truth. We have come to the end of our weekly news. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Weather forecast coming up. And remember, I am the General and this is All Swazi TV. My channel, your channel, our channel.